Design transcends the designer. It's the homeowner's lifestyle and choices that take priority. What I as an individual might find attractive as a home you might want to do over. It is this mix that keeps things interesting. And on this episode of Lux Interiors, we take a look at how personality shapes a space.
On the show, enter actor Rajiv Khandelwal and his wife Manjari's favorite place, their home. Find the best match for your personality with our product hot picks. Discover the home of cricketer Ajit Agarkar. And fashion designer Urvashi Kaur's heritage meets modern abode.
All actor Rajiv Khandelwal knew when he was house hunting is that he wanted a home spacious enough to accommodate his friends and family. He wanted space for a walk-in closet, a home theatre, a library, a garden space and an open kitchen. His wife Manjari and interior designer Richa Bal set out to create a home of the couple's dreams.
This 3-story home in Mumbai is Rajiv and Manjari's labor of love. It's been thought through thoroughly and represents who they are.
For me, this house reflects a lot of my personality because this is very earthy. I'm again a very earthy guy. I think I'm a very basic guy. You won't find my house too flashy.
We wanted to keep it spacious. We have only 4 rooms. So actually, Rajiv and I end up using all corners of the house.
You walk down memory lane with photographs on the wall as you enter. While you expect a living area first, here it is a large kitchen and dining that welcomes you in. A stairway leads you below and into a library and the master bedroom, and then further down into an entertainment room and a garden.
We like reading, we like watching movies, we like just hanging in the house. We don't go out as much. We have a lot of friends coming in here, so this turns into our party zone in the night.
It is barely surprising that the bar should be their favorite corner of this area. How it has been made fun and interactive are ideas that even you could use in your home. First, don't hide your collection of spirits. Suspend them on a stand like this one. Second, convert a pillar into a blackboard. It's a great way for you to leave notes and for your guests to participate in fun and games. Third, waste can be reinterpreted as memoirs. These bottle corks have the dates of all life events important to the couple. The entertainment room opens out to nature with their beautifully landscaped garden. In fact, every room of the house has been designed to overlook it.
Rajiv is very fond of gardening actually, so that's his department. I just love sitting here and especially when it's raining, it's gorgeous over here.
This area also showcases the couple's love for Indian design as seen in the light fixtures, tiles and old cupboards, picked up from Rajiv's hometown, Rajasthan. Tradition meets modernity with the furnishings and fabrics on the furniture. If there's one place in the house where you can catch Rajiv spending most of his time, it's the library.
I always wanted to have a library in my house. It was always a dream that I had. And here I have one. I have all kinds of books. I have books which I have been keeping with myself right from the days of my struggles. There is also a collection of all the shows that I have done till date. So all of my treasure is kind of in this room. I can spend a lot of time with myself, and there is something which is very warm about this room. This is the place where I read most of my scripts. This is the place where I reply to all my fan mails and I interact with my fans here.
A couple that cooks together, stays together. And Rajiv and Manjari take it seriously.
I've always been very fond of cooking. Not because I was really into cooking all the time, but because I was struggling and I didn't have a choice but to cook for myself to save money. And it all started from there. So we have a little tiny kitchen garden here. We grow a lot of herbs and spinach and other things here. And we both were very keen to have an open kitchen. We were always fascinated with this idea of having an open kitchen.
I think we spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so the people are sitting at the dining table, we're cooking, there's a lot of conversation going on.
Yeah, and also it just looks nice, it's cleaner always. When you have an open kitchen, you have to keep it clean. And I am kind of a cleanliness freak. I love the idea of having an island, right in the middle of the kitchen, with another sink and a place where you could do things while somebody else is cooking there.
For me, it works because I can watch the TV while I'm cooking or prepping for stuff.
Manjari actually sits here and she does things while she's watching television. So I think it's very nice and it's very livable. It's very homely. This is very like a house. It doesn't separate the staff who is cooking, with the people who are sitting there.
To sum up what they love about this home, here's what Rajiv and Manjari have to say.
Place you would want to come back to. At least I want to come back to my house. It's almost been 5 years, but I still love the thought of going back to the house.
Rajiv and I, we made this house together. I have picked up almost every tile, every piece of flooring for this house by myself, with Richa. So this is actually really special to the two of us.
Perfection is when no aspect of design is overlooked, especially when it comes to your bathroom. With the bold look of Kohler, you can customize your space by doing exactly that.
Designing your bathroom to perfection is as vital as designing the rest of your home. Whether you prefer a statement that is a bold one or that is elegant, or florals over colors, the bold look of Kohler has just the kind of sink to suit your personality type. When you love simple, clean design, a Japanese inspiration for your bathroom is the obvious choice. The Escale collection with its graceful curves is modeled after ceramic tableware from Japan. Combining flexibility with highly distinctive design, the round and square-shaped basin comes with an integrated vanity top that offers extra surface space, most useful in compact bathrooms. If art catches your eye, bring it home with the Artist Edition from the bold look of Kohler. Textured glass with its reflection on surrounding surfaces brings an ethereal feel to a space. A glass sink takes after the precisely cut surfaces of a precious stone. Bring the enigma of a jewel to your washroom with this piece. It is perfect for lovers of subtle glamour. However, if a cross between subtle and in-your-face is more your style, then this sink called the Laureate is ideal for you. With a prominent strip of beaten gold on a pure white basin and a matched commode, waste bin and faucets, let your bathroom showcase your love for this priceless metal. Finally, for lovers of English classic and old school glamour, nothing is a better find than the English Trellis product line from the Artist Edition. Its design takes inspiration from prints of England's countryside, as seen on upholstery fabrics called chintz. The best part about this collection is that you have a complete set from a drop-in sink to a printed one-piece commode to faucets to match. So if you want the most private space of your home to reflect your personality, the bold look of Kohler is all you need.
Architect, interior designer and entrepreneur Sona Reddy created Room Therapy to be a one-stop shop for all things interior. She uses elements from the store to create an eclectic look for her own home. Take a look.
Homely, bright, fresh and colourful. These are adjectives you'd associate with Sona's home in Hyderabad.
My husband and I work a lot during the week, and when we come back home, we want to come back to a space which is comfortable and fun and relaxing. So I like a home which reflects us. We travel a lot and we bring in a lot of elements from different places. Today I'm going to show you my space, the place we call home, where we brought in a lot of elements from Room Therapy and of course from our travels.
A juxtaposition of the traditional with the modern in an eclectic mix is what you will see here, starting with the hall.
We like a lot of Indian elements, so this area is more Indian. We have few paintings of Ravi Verma or like little things that we've picked up from Goa. This area here is right in front of the bar, so we've tried to create as much seating as possible. Sometimes even this is not enough, so we've added a whole bunch of cushions here, so somebody wants to sit down, they can grab these cushions. And every time Room Therapy has a new line of cushions, we bring them in, or I pick up my favorite piece. This piece, which is my favorite bone inlay, is our center statement table. We've created an exact contrast on the other side, which is a more modern transitional space. The advantage one has at Room Therapy is that you can either pick up things that are completely Indian or slightly more modern. Of course, we have a lot of colors, so you have to blend them in a right way to get the right look. For example, a distressed coffee table here sits extremely well with an antique china chest. We've also blended red and blue and green and yellow all into a single space but still look united because we've followed a certain color tone.
This is how you can transform your space overnight. Try accent pieces from Room Therapy. To start off with, bring in these beautiful rugs in multiple tones. Decorate your walls with these distressed wall-mounted flowers or a mirror frame, or better yet, mount a statement clock on it. And lastly, accentuate your space with distressed furniture, like this chest of drawers in a bright pop of green or this side table. And with these, you could build a cozy home just like Sona's.
Our story on how personality drives your space only gets more interesting after the break.